that we are incurring. Oh, they wanna play with more toys and have more treats, but we can't afford them because they're $100 million